Hey, and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to film for you a Sunday meal prep with me video. So the first thing I will be doing is actually making a coffee because I had a really long weekend and I'm kind of tired, so I had a coffee and now I am going to be preparing a chicken soup. I ate a lot of garbage this weekend, so I'm looking forward to something that is a little fresher. So as you can see, I chopped up some celery. I had a cup of that, and then I am doing a cup of onions. Then I'm peeling the carrots and chopping the ends off, and then I'm going to chop them into smaller circular pieces. There's about a cup for that as well. And then it called for a quarter cup of lemon juice. Then I am chopping off the bits of fat on the chicken, preparing that. And I have extra pieces for the rest of the week, so what I will do with those is basically the same thing, chop off the bits of fat and cut them up and season them, which you'll see later on in the video. And now I just poured in the chicken bouillon and 2 tablespoons of garlic for the soup. I'm adding just a little bit of salt because there's already bouillon, but it did call for more than I had put in. So I'm just adding, I believe it was a teaspoon of salt and some pepper as well. Then I added some rosemary and some crushed red peppers and 4 bay leaves. Then I looked for the biggest piece of chicken and I added that to the Instant Pot. I gave it a good stir, put the lid on, and set it for the soup setting, which I set at 13 minutes. Then I washed the dishes that I used for this meal so that once it was done, the only thing I would have to wash is the Instant Pot bowl itself and any utensils I used for that. then I decided to chop up and peel my cucumber and tomatoes so that I had at least 2 meals of that ready for the week. I only made 2 of these because I feel like it tastes fresher if I make less in between time. So I have another cucumber in the fridge and I'll peel that after I finish these 2 meals. Then I am cutting the chicken a little bit thinner than it was because it came really big, and I seasoned 1 piece with garlic, onion, salt, and pepper. Then I mixed everything together, and I'll put that in the fridge until I am ready to cook that for the next meals. I'm now preparing the second chicken breast. I put a few different spices in this one. I kind of made it like a chili. So I did chili, paprika, cumin, some cayenne pepper, garlic, salt, and pepper. Then I cleaned the counter and I washed the rest of the dishes. After I washed all the dishes, I cut up an orange and I ate that while I waited for the soup to finish cooking. So this is the final result of the soup. I took out the bay leaves, then I took out the chicken and I shredded it with 2 forks. And this was the final result of the chicken soup. And I have to say it's probably one of the best soups I have made so far in my Instant Pot, but I have only made a handful, so there's definitely more to come from that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.